Hello students. Now, presentation of data. How we are going to present? There are the two ways are there to present the data. The first one is ungrouped frequency distribution table. I think you remember the frequency distribution table from 8th grade. Anyhow, we will revise that. Now, there is a grouped data and ungrouped data is there. This is a first one is ungrouped frequency distribution table. The second one is grouped frequency distribution table. They are the two distribution tables are there. That is first one is ungrouped, second one is grouped frequency. Now, first of all, I want to explain what is the frequency. The number of times occurs is called frequency. Number of times occurs. For an example, in 1 hour from morning 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, the power offs two times, and from 9 to 10 o'clock, the power offs four times. From 10 to 11 o'clock, it may increase like seven times. That is called the frequency. Frequency means number of times occurred in a particular period, particular time. Now, we have an example to understand ungrouped frequency distribution. Here 30 students and their marks are there. 10, 20, 36, 92, 95 like that. We have 30 marks are there for the 30 students. Now, if you observe this data, actually some numbers are repeating. For an example, here 60 is there, here we have 60. Here 70 is there, here also we have 70. Here we have another 60, here we have another 60. So, how many times a 60 occurred? You can count one time, second, third and fourth time. So, here the 60 occurred four times. So, likewise, first you can write down the marks 10 one time. Now tally marks 20. How many times it occurs? So this is a simple way to calculate the frequency. Just you can mark a line. If the 20 is counted any other time, no, you can write down 20. 36 one time, second time, third time, that's all, 3. So 36 occurred 3 times. So 40. Likewise, you can write down the frequency. These are the marks, these are the frequencies. Number of times occurs, number of times repeated. So 60 4 times repeated, 70 4 times repeated, 72 one time happened, 88 2 times repeated, 92 3 times repeated. Likewise, we can calculate. This is called ungrouped frequency distribution table. If you count these numbers as a total, you must get 30. The number of the marks are 30. So the total number of marks here 30. In the same way, here we have 30 times the frequency, total frequency is 30. So this is about ungrouped frequency distribution table. That's all.